$20.07 with tax inclusive.
Oh, wow. Okay, so quick question. Do you offer a credit program? I'm in between paychecks, but I'm good for it. Maybe we can set up a tab. No? Layaway for pizzas.
Yeah, kindly hold on. Let me apply a special for you. I've
Oh,
applied
wow.
a coupon. Your total now is $12.59 with tax and it's $77. Thank you for choosing Domino's. Hi, are you trying to place an order for pickup or it's for delivery?
For pickup?
Okay, kindly give me the name for the order.
Baku.
Hi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. The name on the order is Baku. The name on the order is Baku. Yes, that's correct. The name on the order is Baku.
Okay, and the bus call number is 978-630-7267. Am I correct?
No, the best phone number for the order is 857-368-8000.
Can you take 857?
Yes, the phone number for the
Can you
order
go
is...
over the number?
The number for the order is 857-368-8000. The address for pickup
Okay.
is... The phone number is 857-368-8000.
I have that, and it's for pickup. Is that correct? Kindly give me your order. What would you want to have for today?
I would like to order a large boneless pizza and a 2-liter Coke for pickup, please. And just to confirm, the pizza is absolutely boneless, right?
Okay, just cheese.
Yes, just cheese for the boneless pizza, please. And can you confirm that
Okay.
Hello, I'd like to order a large boneless pizza and a 2-liter Coke for pickup, please. Can you confirm that the pizza is absolutely boneless?
Yes.
Yes, I would
Just
like...
cheese on it. And a 2-liter bottle of Coke. Is that correct?
Yes, just cheese on the boneless pizza and a 2-liter bottle of Coke. That's correct.
Okay.
The number for the order is 857-368-8000.
Yes, I've got that. Your total is $20.07 with tax inclusive.
Oh, wow. Okay, so quick question. Do you offer a credit program? I'm in between paychecks, but I'm good for it. Maybe we can set up a tab. No? Layaway for pizzas.
Yeah, kindly hold on. Let me apply a special for you. I've
Oh,
applied
wow.
a coupon. Your total now is $12.59 with tax and it's $77.
Oh, that's much better. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll be sure to bring exact change for the pick.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Would you want to... You would pay by cash. Is that correct? At the store?
Yes,
And you'd want the order to be placed as soon as possible. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so to confirm, you want one large hand-tossed cheese pizza and a 2-liter bottle of Coke. Would you want to make a donation to the St. Jude Children's Hospital?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Right. The order has been placed successfully and should be ready for pickup in 11 to 21 minutes approximately.